3 train to the park. Alright. Ooh, another welcome guest. And this station needs attention. And from here we can see a glimpse of the downtown platform that we will do in a couple of minutes. But just like 116th Street, 125th Street, 135th Street, and this station, they lack of crossover crossunders. So we have to do them in too. So see ya on the other side. After doing the uptown side, we're on the downtown side of 145th Street at the Lennox Avenue line. Ew, it's worse than the uptown. It's way worse than the uptown. And it needs attention. It really does. It really, really does. But anyways, this will conclude our stay at the track at 145th Street.